It was a case that drew national attention. The country's top cop under investigation for allegedly misusing her authority to approve the importation of two high powered rifles and accessories, including sound suppressors. The permit was granted to a licensed firearm dealer, but the Strategic Services Agency, a state body, was the intended end user, purportedly for operational and training use. But the question investigators had to answer: did Commissioner Erla Harewood-Christopher act improperly or even illegally in granting that permit? Well, according to a media release on Saturday evening from the Director of Public Prosecutions, Roger Gaspard, the evidence was not enough to lead to criminal misconduct. The press release stated that the DPP was presented with a substantial file containing evidence which raised concern of the Commissioner of Police's performance of her due diligence functions. It also stated that while this, coupled with her granting of the firearm import permit, was sufficient to lead to her arrest as a suspect, the evidence presented does not reach the required threshold so as to lead to a criminal charge. The DPP added that a mistake, even a serious one, will not suffice, noting that the threshold is a high one, requiring conduct so far below acceptable standards to amount to an abuse of the public's trust. Mr. Gaspard acknowledged that the Commissioner's actions raised serious questions about due diligence, but emphasized that there was no evidence of corruption or improper motive, adding that he is of the view that there is no realistic prospect of a conviction for the offense of misbehavior in public office or for any offense. Meanwhile, the current Acting Commissioner of Police, Junior Benjamin, welcomed the decision, calling it a clear and unequivocal decision by the DPP. He stated that the DPP applied the full code test, which evaluates the evidential and public interest stages, and concluded that there was no realistic prospect of conviction for any offense. Further, he said that no improper motives or unlawful considerations were found in the Commissioner's actions and confirmed that the matter will not proceed further. Sonolala, TTT News.